Jain cadets, today we are going to study public facilities. Water and the people of Chennai. In this chapter, we will be studying about the water, importance of water, and the problems which is faced due to water. Story of Amu and Kumar. Amu and Kumar are traveling through Chennai in a bus. As they go round the city, they observe the water facilities available in different parts of Chennai. So in this chapter we will be studying about the four situations. This four situation means about the four places. Those four places are Annanagar, Mylapore, Madipakkam and Saidapet. First is Annanagar. This Annanagar is the officers' colony, and here Ram Gopal, this character, used to live here in this colony. So in this figure you can see that plenty of water is easily available. Here in this figure water is used for cleaning the vehicles and much water is wasted. So in this figure you can see the greeneries are there, green vegetations are available. So the people who are living in this Annanagar is very much comfortable related with the availability of the water supply. Sprayers are used, tap water full day is available, and if any problem is there, then in 24 hours water will be available to this Annanagar, and there is no complaint related to water. This is the situation of the Annanagar. This is the officers' colony. Officers are living here, so there is no scarcity of water. This is the one situation. Next situation, Mylapore. So Subramanian used to live here. So in all these figures, if you see, the people are standing in queues and waiting for their turn to get water. That means always there is shortage of water in this region, in this place. Only once in 2 days water is available to this place. Here private borewell is also available, but this private borewell water is blackish water, means water is not fit for use, blackish, because of the many salts are present in water, and that salt is harmful for use when it will be used. So not good for use, this borewell water. So the people who are living here, they are dependent on tanker water services, and it cost 500 per month. So this is the condition in Mylapore, shortage of water. Next situation is Madipakkam. This is the place Madipakkam in Chennai. Now here the character who is living is Siva. If you see the figure, this is a single room, and in this single room he used to live alone without his family. Why he is not keeping his family? Because of the scarcity of water. So once in 4 days here water is available, once in a 4 days. That is why he is living alone in a single room, this Siva character, and he has left his family at home in village. He used to use water bottles. Okay? He used to use bottle water for drinking, so less use of water. He is using less water for drinking purpose because water is not available. This is the condition here. Now Saidapet. Here the character who is living is Padma. It is a slum area, and in slum area there are so many hutments, and in hutment there are people who are living and they are giving rent. Water is not available here. One tap is available, and this tap is available for 30 hut. Water is available for only 20 minutes per day, and only 3 bucket per person will collect, per family will collect the water. So here is the acute shortage of water and people are suffering like anything. This is Saidapet in Chennai. So just now we have seen the 4 situation, and in all the 4 situation we have seen different things related with the water. Now water as a part of the fundamental right. We have got many rights, there are fundamental rights, and water is also a part. Essential. So safe water is required. Diseases in India, largest nation with waterborne diseases. So these all things are essential. Safe water, disease free should be there in India. It is one of the largest nation with waterborne diseases. Name some of the waterborne diseases. There are so many diseases. Few of them are dysentery, diarrhea, typhoid, etc. More than 1600 people dies due to not availability of water daily. Many children dies daily below age of 5. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 21. In other words, there should be universal access to water. Right to get water. Everybody should get water. Public facilities, healthcare, these all are the facilities which are provided by the government. Healthcare, sanitation, electricity, public transportation, schools and colleges, etc. These are known as the public facilities. So all these facilities should be provided by the government. Now the important characteristics of public facilities. Once provided, benefits can be shared by many. This is the important characteristics. If once provided, then the benefits can be shared by many people. This is the important characteristics. Example, a school. Once a school is made, then it is made for the benefit of the people who are living on the particular region. A dam once made, that means it will provide services to the people. Hospital, government hospitals are made again for the benefit of the people. So this is the important characteristics. Once provided, benefits can be shared by many. So just now we have studied about the public facilities. Rest we will be studying in next class. Thank you very much.